I honestly struggle to understand why anyone is still manually chopping up hours of footage in 2025 when AI can handle the heavy lifting for you. Imagine recording a 30-minute talk and getting a stack of ready-to-post clips in just 5 minutes, without any of the timeline wrestling or complex shortcuts. Today, I want to show you a tool I have been using that turns that exact dream into reality. It is called Vizard. This software quietly rips months of busy work off your content workflow, so let's walk through how it works and why it matters. We all know the pain point. When you sit down to edit, you spend hours hunting for the best hooks, the funniest beats, and the most quotable lines. Even with advanced tools that offer text-based editing, you are still doing a lot of manual labor that costs time and money when you need to scale. Vizard's core philosophy is simple. It takes your full video, finds the gold, and makes it publishable faster than you thought possible. When I dragged a 30-minute interview into the platform and hit the auto clip button, it generated a dozen short clips optimized for social media in minutes. It does not just slice the footage by length, but it analyzes engagement cues like where the speaker gets animated, where people laugh, or where a sentence ends on a cliffhanger. It even ranks those clips by virality score, giving you a handful of data-backed candidates instead of you just guessing which one will stick. The variety is what I love, because it produces different styles for the same moment, like quick cutdowns for TikTok or punchy teasers for YouTube Shorts. You can pick the ones that match your channel vibe or export them all to run a quick A/B test for better growth. Now, let's talk about that necessary polish, like captions and title overlays, which Vizard handles automatically using its built-in transcription engine. It produces accurate captions that you can quickly edit, and it offers styling presets so your subtitles look consistent across every single clip. We all know that readable captions dramatically boost watch time and engagement, so having this automated saves you hours of tedious typing. You might be wondering about filler words or dead air, but Vizard focuses on selecting clean, shareable moments rather than forcing you to micro-edit every or ah. If you do need to trim, the clip editor feels less like wrestling a complex timeline and more like rearranging paragraphs in a simple document. The scheduling feature is the next big game changer. You just set your posting frequency, connect your socials, and let the AI queue clips at optimized times. You can override or shuffle the order if you want, but for busy creators, this means you stop being the bottleneck and start being a publisher. The content calendar is where this really shines for teams, as you can see exactly what is going out, when, and where, all from one dashboard. If a clip needs a slightly different caption for LinkedIn versus TikTok, you can edit those variants right inside the calendar view. Now, to be clear, I still use other tools for specific needs, like Premiere when I need pixel level control, but Vizard is my go-to for the repetitive heavy lifting. It sits in that perfect spot where it isn't trying to replace advanced editors, but it is trying to replace the soul-crushing part of repurposing long videos. Let's look at the 6 practical wins: instant viral clip extraction, multi-platform variants, auto captions, quick adjustments, auto scheduling, and a centralized content calendar. As a concrete example, I had a 40-minute panel discussion and expected to spend a whole day on it, but Vizard did the job in about 12 minutes. I just tweaked 2 captions, approved the schedule, and walked away, saving me an entire day of manual editing. Don't worry about sounding robotic or losing your voice. The clips are just slices of your actual content, acting as a co-pilot rather than a replacement. If you are making long-form video and want to grow on social, this makes scaling a realistic goal without burning yourself out. Go find one of your long videos, drop it into Vizard, and see which clip surprises you the most. You might just find your new favorite workflow. Subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this, because I will keep testing the tools so you don't have to.